What is going on, everyone? Abbas here with you. I am from Uganda, Africa, and I want to tell you what prompted me to buy this course. I had a YouTube channel and I had no idea how I could monetize my channel. So I came across Jordan Mackey's videos on YouTube, and I had to get this course. I was a bit reluctant to buy the course, but the more I watched his videos on YouTube, he proved to be showing something that I never thought existed that could be done on YouTube.
What's up, guys? Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Jordan Mackey and his YouTube classes. I signed up for YouTube Made Easy. The first course was great, very instructive, very informative. It really breaks it down step by step. And also purchased his advanced masterclass. Just couldn't get enough of his great material. Just wanted to let you guys know, definitely buy his courses, definitely give him a shout out.